It's really cold out here. Let's start finishing up. What's next?
We need to locate the Great Red Spot on Jupiter.
Okay. Yeah, done that. Now what about Mars? What do we have to find there?
Did you know there are plans to colonize Mars in 10 to 15 years? Can you imagine living there?
No. Not me. I prefer looking at Mars from here on Earth.
Oh, come on. Think of establishing a human settlement on Mars. We'd be pioneers.
Eddie, focus. We have to finish this assignment.
Colonizing Mars will give us a whole new understanding of space. It's the ultimate test of human survival.
That's great, but what special features are we supposed to locate there?
Okay. We need to find a polar ice cap. It should look like a small white patch in the southern hemisphere.
Polar ice cap. Okay, I have a good idea where that is.
You know, they've already started accepting applications to become one of the first Mars astronauts. I'm seriously considering applying.
Yeah, Eddie, you should definitely go and live on Mars. But first, can we please finish this assignment before I freeze to death?
Okay.